The front porch post had been slowly deteriorating. It is now laying on the ground and ready for a replacement.
The base of the post had completely rotted away and was temporarily being kept in place by a 2x4.
We of course decided that we needed to help fix this situation. We went to the store with Mom and Dad and they picked out a pressure treated 6x6 wood post that they wanted to use as a replacement.
Cool.
Let me know where you want it up top. Probably see if I can center it inside that paint circle.
The paint circle will probably be pretty close to center, right?
Yep.
Pretty close to the center up there.
Cool. This side.
To make sure that the post won't rot in the future, Jonah used a galvanized post bracket at the base to keep the wood up off the concrete.
Nothing has happened. I started to drill.
And that vibrated loose?
No, this is like has been like this.
Yeah.
I think this is a piece of rebar.
It goes all the way through the concrete.
Yeah, that looks like a rebar.
Doesn't look like it looks like the porch was poured after anyway.
Yeah. You hit the rebar?
No, not yet.
No.
I might go right past it.
As you're drilling, you notice that the front
Yeah,
is
as I was sitting here
vibrating.
like this, I saw this. So.
How did you get it directly below it? Clearly
I cut this post to fit the distance between the top and the bottom.
What I'm saying is, how did you do it this way?
I put the post in, and then I used the level.
Ah, so you already measured it. Cool.
So I measured it
Does the
down to
post
here.
go inside that
No,
hole?
it completely covers the hole.
Okay.
So I measured down to the concrete,
Uh-huh.
so I have to trim that much off of it.
Okay.
But what I did allowed me to get the post positioned where I wanted it,
Right.
mark it, make it level, well, make it level, then mark it.
Yep.
You need to tighten this to 55 foot-pounds. So it gives you your torque measurements there. So you turn it, hold this, and turn, and it screws it in.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay.
And then you go to the 50?
Yep, you go to 55. So you put this on here.
That's cool.
That's exactly 55 foot-pounds of torque. This is what the bag says to torque it to. So 55 foot-pounds should be exactly what it needs to be, and that's not going anywhere.
That's awesome. While Jonah was working on this and other projects, I was helping my parents go through their garage. Like most of us, it needs a yearly declutter, even if we don't get to it. I really enjoyed helping them make their garage a more usable space again. Mom and Dad also picked out trim pieces that would give the new post a nice finished look.
With our trip coming to an end, We did not have enough time to completely finish the project by painting the post. I prepped the post for paint by filling the cracks with wood putty, but Mom and Dad will have to paint the post white later.